Dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in the chapter of matrices. Today we are going to close this chapter matrices with 4 questions. All these questions are from 2023 latest questions. Okay, 2024 exams are conducting but I have not taken 2024 papers. Okay, 2023 you can consider as latest questions. After 6 months we may try to solve 2024 also. Okay. Now see 2023 question. If A and B are two non-zero n by n matrices, okay, such that A square plus B is equal to A square into B. See, A square plus B is equal to A square into B. Then what is the probable answer? See, answer is D, but let us see how it comes and all. Okay. Okay. See how I am writing this. See, we need not to take any matrices. Directly with equations only we are going to solve this. Observe carefully. A square plus B is equal to A square into B. This you keep one box like or equation 1 or something like, okay. Now see, 2 times I am sending this that side, but not all. First I am sending all. Next I will send only A square. See what is happening. First you see A square plus A square B minus A square minus B is equal to 0. Why? Because if you send all that side, then it is going to become 0 or O, null matrix. Okay. Now both sides I am adding I. A square B minus A square minus B plus I is equal to plus I. Okay. Both sides you can add I. That is not a problem. Now I am taking A square common. Okay, see what is going to happen. A square, if I take common B minus I, you may tell B minus 1, but 1 you should not take, I only you have to take. Why? Because the matrix equations we are doing. Okay? Only 1 means here I. A square B minus A square. A square B minus A square. Okay? See, same this B minus I am taking common. But here minus B plus I is there. That means see, outside minus 1 you have to keep. But I have already told you minus 1 or plus 1 will not come, I only will come. Then you take I. Why? I into B or B into I both are same, B only will come. That is why I act as a unit 1. Minus I into B minus I into minus I plus 1 plus I. Okay? That's why I is there. Then you see B minus I you can take common again. See, B minus I, if I take common, then A square minus I, that is equal to I. Is it okay? Okay. Now see, A square minus I is equal to I by B minus I. Okay. See, if I want to bring this to numerator, what will happen? A square minus I is equal to I into B minus I whole inverse. From numerator to denominator to numerator, if it goes, it is going to become inverse. B minus I inverse into I how to write, but I already told I into something is something only. That is why I need not write. This you box it. Once again, that means this is second equation or second type line. Okay, A square minus I is equal to B minus I whole inverse. Now see, again this equation, this time I am not sending all, I am sending only A square. A square plus B is equal to A square B comma B is equal to A square B minus A square. Okay? This side B is there, but only A square I have sent. See, once again I will write B is equal to A square if I take common B minus I. Okay? Now once again I will write A square is equal to B by B minus I. Okay? Now once again I will write A square is equal to B into B minus I inverse. Why? Because from denominator to numerator it has got, that is why inverse. This also you keep one box. See how many equations have become? 1, 2, 3. See, B minus I inverse value you are having, then you substitute. A square is equal to B into B minus I inverse value is A square minus I. Understand? Then you open this. A square is equal to BA square minus B. Why B I have not written? B into I is B only. That is why minus B I have written. Now see what will happen here. If this goes that side, automatically A square plus B is going to happen. A square plus B is equal to B A square. Now this also you close it. Box. Now go back. A square plus B is equal to A square B was there, but A square plus B has become B A square. Normal cases A into B is not equal to B into A, but here A square into B is equal to B square, B into A square. A square into B, B into A square. Both are same. In this case, A square plus B is equal to. Okay? That is what we can conclude. We can conclude A square B is equal to B A square. This will be your answer. Let us go for next.